The governor of Ruang State, Thiem Masha, commended the role played by the non-governmental organizations working in the state for their contribution towards supporting developmental activities in the state. Governor Thiem made the remarks during the opening of Giel Akook Primary School at Jamjang County.
My people in a language that they can understand. Ku kaman ko ke non biwe ka pol ba ja matong ko Akook yan ping ko nyera kai ko wada mat ko umit ko ka cha kamot. I say all of you, those who have come here, women, children, elder people, the guests, and everybody who is here, good evening. Ka leji da gun bira dong nam wada mat ko fi UNHCR pani gon ga kanam. All the words have been mentioned by those who have talked before me, and only thing that I have to repeat is to say thanks to the UNHCR. Today is a great day. Why is it great day? It is great day because the people, white people you can see here, they are here, they have left their land, and they are here with us. It is because they are educated. When I talk long the man dun John David of the Shoya, Kenyan Akum, you know, Pesa, Yamokan, Kayabok, Bacon, Banting, hello, Nagagan, the Yik, Wallakin Yik. And you have also heard it before from John Dabi, the importance of education, because he is here as the eye of the government of South Sudan. He has come here to witness whether this school has been built or not. Kechol gat kena yak di Akook long na kuma gat kena ya bai gat kena pi ayo kan biyo ko khol kana ka kum ta wilaya achan ko na ga kana buk ban ting bak yi wala ke yi kunu chen yi buk ti duk di ko buk lo tin ko ya hukuma aw ka de pan kan ko de mi bu gat na ngam buk le ke bi lo la na chi pol pa de. It said that education is very important. If it was not to be important, we would have not come here. The government and the UN, they would have not come here. They have come here because education is very important. And the only thing that has remained is that how shall we take care of this school? Kayo chak wo pingon tai chikun da jon ga chen chak long pi. Kayo bar ma chen chak. Kai ke ban bia ka chik ban nyu. Ulil ke e no nga ka chik ba chol man ko. Ka bia chol Giel Akook Primary School. We have seen before on the board that the school was named as Manquo Primary School. But the leaders of the community, the local people to whom the gift is going, they have sat down and they have renamed it to call it Giel Akook Primary School. Giel Akook ne chera na jipyo. Ko ra na chin ga jilo le junu Sudan. La ki chakre. Kata bu zai zo ki chakre na. We all know that if Giel Akook was not educated, if he was not very important person in South Sudan, we would have not named him. He would have died and forgotten like other people. I check Giel Akook chaga kol. Kabara ana ku Giel Akook abi ngi non dera na chol Giel Akook on Iran ke ran man ko tan ku ke ran ye mehem ke ran gat ke ran de ke chloy fitar ba junu bena do la ci man je mo kan ere je gode kol gan. We have named this school after Giel Akook because to remember the name of Giel Akook, because he was educated, he was a very important person in South Sudan, and that is why we have named him. If he was not educated, he would have not been named. So many people, the generation that will come, and the generation that we will not see, will still get the name Giel Akook. Your name will be remembered forever. Koi kuan tau ne sa kan war ko jala mar ko ayo ni sa ga tin da Atam te ke listen te no ba san lawara duru mi jok no duru mi jok ato sa duru ala jam mi la ka yo ke de no ga ta pinya na tan mi la duru ben boy tin zaman to wil khal wan ke ba yo taw tan ne ka yo ben la jam ka yo ke di duru yo ben man ki yo til ben duru yo ben ni yo gwe ko ko before 3 years there was a tukul over there, and one of the dedicated teachers by name Dudi, he has been here with the children staying here. I hope this time he will be here with other people, and it will be great because this school has been built. I think he will be here. Iran je kenyu juba kware tan we men bai tan di tit kule la de Iran ka de malim bi wor be bi bai mahabus ka de malim bi ran UN bi bai don we ning taw na ke la ya dan no ga na bo ko pyo je mit agut man bi ran bu kwan ben yo ben ma tin dogo instead that all people, the sons and daughters of this area who are educated, if you are working in Jamjang as a part-time in UN, or you are just at home on vacation, or you are working in the government, you help your people. Come, don't wait that UN will bring teachers and the commissioner will bring teachers. You will start educating your children. It said that you have emphasized the point of the pens before. Before the pen has come, please, it is your responsibility as the community to take care of this school. Let it not be destroyed. Because nowadays, many people think that something which belongs to the public is something that has nobody. They have to take it and then take it for their own use. You take care of this school, let it not be destroyed. Commissioner, Jamjang, before go handing over. Get of the Tibat can honor again, Onaga can do your room can Onaga Labangalui, Onaga Jamjang and Kai Kajului, where can I got a program on Ben Louis, Akayok, the Mitaka, Kinman better buy, or Kumbra Vilaya. They are going to talk in one view pin, and they are talking Mele Onaga. Good a Michael Gaviro in. I do not miss he said that before the commissioner of Jamjang County was having a plan of reopening all those schools which have been closed for a long time. He has opened Labang Primary School and he has opened Jamjang Primary School. They are now working. And it was in his program to open this school to make it work. So these children, let them be registered. And for those parents who refuse their children to go to school, whether boys or girls, if you refuse to let your child to go to school, we will have a problem with you.
The Commissioner of Jamjang County, Simon War, applauded the construction of the school at Jamjang, adding that it will boost the education sector in the state.
Honorable Minister, Station Melis, UNHCR country chief in the Republic of South Sudan, head of sub-office, Mr. Benton, and then the Assistant CRA Commission, Ruweng State, Joseph Sonokur, the team of the UNHCR, the community elders, the police, all the sheep, and all the youth, plus the children. I welcome you all today to Giel Primary School, which is the new name that has been given by the community, and I have agreed with it as the Commissioner of Jamjang County. Elele Jangaben, Banga Kuma, Randi UN,
Kujola koi dit kabai. Pula mit ciben ben kudia. Ele we cakeng lo, we cakeng mot, we cakeng lo. Ben chao ben onaga jadi den chuk chak. Echol Giel Kur Primary School.
I'm very delightful to the Governor of Ruang State Honorable Somne Misha for his first time to step to the county and accompanying the UNHCR country rep to come and handing over this school which has been constructed by UNHCR. The Deputy Commission for CRA in the Republic of South Sudan, I all welcome all of you to this function to witness the work that has been made by UNHCR to the local community of Jamjang County. Opportunity to give a special thanks to UNHCR. This school would have not been possible for quite a time to be seen here by this community. But through the effort that has been made by the UNHCR, that is why this school has been possible to this community. And you have seen the number of the children. These children have been lodging behind the National of the Republic of South Sudan, as you might have heard before from the first speech. We have been discussed some issues with the head of sub-office, and those points have been brought forward by the community elders. What was in my mind to forward to the country rep and the UNHCR, the Deputy Commissioner of CRA in the Republic of South Sudan, and the Assistant CRA Commissioner is what has been brought forward by the community elders. The school is already complete, even if it is one block, it is good for the beginning. But the remaining challenge was to paint the school. That was one issue. Two, it is to food a tukul or the kitchen, as you might have heard before from the community that they require the UNHCR to put the kitchen whereby if they can manage, they can contribute food to their children whereby their food can be cooked for them here within the only children that are within this community or within the area where you have constructed the school. There are a good number of children and some of them cannot manage to come by this time, and the number would have been big than this number. For them to be sharing, for them to be sharing the only one hand pump bowl which the community is using, it may cause problem with the school children and the community. Therefore, I request the UNHCR to complete their work as my colleague or the community said before that. You are supposed to provide a water for these children as you provide them the school.
Meanwhile, Johannes Ruhan, a representative of United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees, said the school is a gift from the United Nations agencies to support education sector in the state.
His Excellency, the Council Commissioner, the Minister, State Minister of Education and Environment, Health and Environment, Honorable John Daby, Deputy Commissioner for Refugee Affairs, Commissioner for Refugee, Assistant Commissioner for Refugee Affairs in Ruang State. Colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Great pleasure to be here today for the opening of Giel Primary School.
Bawonaga dun echol Giel Kur Primary School Babel Yeptok.
But I would like to give credit to our partner AAHI, who has worked and make sure that this school will have been built. And without AAHI, we wouldn't have been able to have this school as well. So a big round of applause for AAHI.
Echol AAHI. Egene jawo naga kene. Eni jayen yik kege kwaje jarene. Ne cheke. Uche luaiden dawo naga kene daga kai coach. Kege chake le japai.
The future of South Sudan lies behind me.